Hey, everyone! In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to install and activate add-ons in Blender. So, let's get started. First, open Blender on your PC. And then go to the top of your screen and click on Edit. Then head down to Preferences. Once you're in Preferences, look for the Add-ons section on the left-hand side. Now, click on the little arrow. And then click on the Install from Disk button. You'll need to locate the add-on file on your computer, which is typically a zip file or sometimes a PY file. After installing, if it's not activated yet, you need to search in the search bar. And then tick the checkbox next to the add-on to enable it. And that's it. Your add-on is now installed and ready to use. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips.